Data analyst. Your job as you know it may not exist in this year 2025. With tools like GenBI and independent AI agent reshaping the field of analytics, traditional roles are evolving and they're doing it at a very rapid rate. Now, before you push that panic button, let me walk you through on how you can bulletproof yourself and not just survive, but thrive in this ever-changing world of analytics. My name is Kingsley and I am your data buddy. I encourage you to subscribe if you have not yet done and try to give this video a thumbs up if you ever get any value from it. Now I am going to be giving you three very important skills that you will need to be able to survive this ever-changing world of analytics. And you may need to stick to the end to get these three valuable skills. Now let's start with generative BI, which usually stands for generative AI in business intelligence. Look at it as the next generation of AI that has the capacity to write efficient SQL query, build smart and interactive dashboards, and deliver actionable insights, all within a few prompts. And look at prompt as a simple, natural language, nothing so technical. So business people can easily use it. Now, tools like ChatGPT and other AI-driven platforms are already automating tasks that would normally take analysts several hours to perform. So we need to be on our A game to really survive this. For instance, imagine asking an AI to get you a sales performance dashboard for quarter four. And within a few seconds or even minutes, you have a fully functional interactive dashboard with all the charts, KPIs, trends, and even recommendation. That sounds revolutionary. And it is. But this also poses a big question. What happens to your role as a data analyst? The answer lies in shifting your focus. The future is not in competing with AI on tasks that it is better at. It is in excelling on tasks that AI can't do yet. And here are three evergreen skills that will keep you on demand in your skill. Let us explore them. Number one is data storytelling. Now, AI can crunch numbers, can build analytics, smart dashboard, very interactive, can put up all the KPIs and all the charts, give you trends and give you some recommendation. But you know what? AI can't tell the story. You are the data storyteller. You are the data analyst. You control the narrative because you understand the business much more than AI does. So you control the narrative. With data storytelling skills, you are going to still keep your job and you're going to still be on demand in the markets. Data storytelling is your go-to skill in this ever dynamic world of data analytics. Now that leads us to the second one, which is business acumen. Having a sound understanding about your domain is a very crucial skill that you need to grab as a data analyst in this world. Now, with a sound understanding of the unique challenges that faces your business and the dynamics of the changing world of your industry, you are better positioned to tell your story. You have a better understanding of your business, the industry, your data set, you will be able to control the narrative when you tell your data story. And now this will take us to the third one, which is mastering the AI integration. Yeah, I accept that the generative AI, it's going to take everyone by storm in the world of data and analytics. But the truth is, how about you understand how to integrate this generative AI? And because, let's face it, someone will also be in charge of managing this Gen AI if any company decides to adopt it. Why can't that person be you? You can go in, understand how to use this tool, and be in charge of controlling the narrative. Now, that is what we call human in the loop AI. That means this AI will at some point generate inaccurate figure, things that are not really in order. It is for you to be in the human in the loop so that you can control the narrative, correct whatever that the AI produced that is not correct. So you learn how to use Gen BI to augment your tasks. Now, whether it is automating repetitive tasks or enhancing the insights or even correcting any anomalies that the Gen BI generates, you are going to be able to do a better job because now you've got a sound understanding of data storytelling. You understand the business from the business side of things, you understand the domain, and now you can use the tool. You are better equipped than any other data analyst to be able to face this industry. And those are the three skills that will make you stand out in this industry and help you be on demand by almost any company or any business. Now, with this skill set that I have recommended to you, you're no longer just crunching number. You are now a strategic advisor with the help of AI tools or agents. While Gen BI will handle all the heavy lifting for you, you will focus on designing experiments, solve complex problems, and ensure that the insight generated by the BI aligns with the business goal. You are not just a data analyst. You are a strategic data professional with your business. With this, your expertise and creativity differentiates you from every other data analyst. While you are here, they are here. And these skills are skills that businesses need to be able to add value to their organization. They need you, so you go for it. Now, let's face the reality. Gen BI isn't here to replace you, it is here to empower you. By embracing this technology, sharpening your data storytelling tools, having a deeper understanding of your business domain will not only secure your place in your company, but it will make you stand out. Now, here is my advice. It's time to start exploring the Gen BI tools. I know of one known as Pyramid Analytics. Is it Pyramid BI? Try and check them out. There are so many other ones out there. What we don't understand is that it is happening on the ground. A lot of companies are building their own Gen BI. It is up to you to reach, it is up to you to stand up, learn these technologies, and be better. And it's not going to take you much time to learn. Honestly, they are quite easy to use. They have done all the heavy lifting for you. It's just for you to use it. Say the language you want, and it will give you all the answers you want. And then you can optimize it to get to tell the stories the way you want it to be according to your business rules. And most importantly, focus on making AI work for you instead of fighting AI. It's not going to work. AI is here to stay. Work with it, not against it. All right, if this resonates with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay ahead of the curve with more insight on AI and analytics. Until I see you on my next video, keep analyzing.